Press the lock button to start the lock. Select the Smart eLock app. Scan the lock, add this lock to the storage. Then let's begin lock registration. Click and hold the button and put the battery into the lock and waiting until LED is flashing. Click the ready button when LED is orange. Now LED is orange, press the ready button. Then lock is finished registration. Select the lock. Open the lock. The green light will show up. Then you can open the lock. Lock will automatically lock within 5 seconds. When lock is in the lock position, you cannot erase lock button will not allow you to open it unless you press the button. The green light is showing there, and you can open the lock.